This sunset is almost as beautiful as you are.
Oh, stop. But I have to agree, it's perfect.
Oh my God, look at that wave! Brace yourselves, it's gonna hit us! I'm trying, we're gonna capsize! What happened to my legs? I have a tail! I turned into a mermaid! You are not allowed to escape. You must stay here!
Is this your phone? Where's my girlfriend?
Rumi! Oh God, Rumi! What happened? I don't understand. You have to tell me where she is.
Why do you think the boat broke down and sank?
The engine just stopped working, and a big wave swamped us before we could fix it.
I wish you were here, Rumi. I can't do this anymore. It's over between us.
I long to see my lover again. But the ocean keeps us apart. You cannot come up because you belong to the fish family. Please, I beg you, let me go.
Rumi! Rumi!
You must let me go. I love him. You stupid, naive fool. I'd rather see you both drown than let you leave. I will go ashore to find him. I found you. I can't believe it. You're alive. You're finally safe. It's raining heavily with thunder and lightning.
Rushing you. We shouldn't have survived.
I saved you. But now the others are looking for the girl I helped.
They're looking for me.
Forever, my love. We have to get out of here. The waves are too strong.
I can't.
Not in this current. We have to hold on. I wish we could stay like this forever.
What's happening to me? No!
Rumi! Rumi! Rumi, where are you?
Help! I'm trapped! Please, someone help me! Ah! Let us out of here! Help! We're caught in the net!
Now the real fun begins. Ah ha 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 ha! Look at this! Your savior bought for just $2.
Let us out! Open the tank! Let us go! We're right here. It's okay. Just breathe. We've got you. We are the voices of the tide. Let the music be your guide. Welcome to the show where the lights shine bright. Feel the magic in the air tonight. Please, you must help us. Get us out of here, quickly! Don't leave us here to die. It's coming too fast!
We have to get out of here now! Help! Somebody help me, please!
Hurry! We're almost there! Don't let go!
Floating on the tide, where the moonbeams glide, singing to...
Go, Rumi! Go, Mira!
Let's go! Faster, faster! We can do this! Come on! Let's go! Faster! We're gaining on them! I won! Thank you, everybody!
I can't believe we lost. You two were supposed to win this race. I really hate you!
Stop it!
Congratulations. You really deserve this.
Thank you! I'm just so happy right now. I lost again. It's my fault. I'm just not strong enough. I just came up with an idea. I can't give up like this. Please, my dragon, stay strong for me. Hold on just a little longer. Get better, and we'll face this together. This fruit has a magical power. Here, have a taste, my friend. Don't worry, little dragon. Everything will be all right. You're healthy again. I'm so glad. Yes! Let's do this! We did it! We won! Thank you everyone for your support, and especially to my incredible dragon. Thank you for this victory!